Okay, so we've wiped it down to get those edges exposed, and we've made up some green melt and pour soap using moss green, and I've added to that forest pine from P&J along with some balsam fir from Midwest, and it smells amazing. We've gotten the melt and pour down to cool in there, so it's nice. And we're going to put some isopropyl in there to help with adhesion. Go ahead and pour that in there. Man, that smells great. I'm going to let that set up, and let's see, put a little more isopropyl on the top there, get those bubbles out of there, and we'll be back with the results. Stay tuned.